You're watching a movie, and suddenly your eyes well up. Or someone raises their voice slightly, and tears stream down your face before you can stop them. You've probably been told you're too sensitive or asked, why are you crying about this? But here's what nobody's telling you. Neuroscientists have discovered that people who cry easily have fundamentally different brain chemistry than others. And what they've found challenges everything we thought we knew about emotional tears. Let me show you something that'll completely reframe how you see this trait. Dr. William Frey, a biochemist who spent decades studying tears, found something startling in his research at the Ramsey Medical Center. Emotional tears aren't just water and salt. They contain stress hormones like cortisol and adrenocorticotropic hormone. Essentially, when you cry, you're literally releasing toxic stress chemicals from your body. Your brain isn't malfunctioning when tears come easily, it's actually performing an advanced form of emotional regulation that researchers are only now beginning to understand. But it goes deeper than that. The people who cry most easily. Brain imaging studies from UCLA show their amygdala, the emotion processing center, has heightened connectivity to other brain regions. Think of it like this: while some people have a narrow pathway between their emotional center and their tear ducts, yours is a superhighway. Information travels faster, more intensely. This isn't a flaw in your wiring. It's a feature. And here's where it gets really interesting. Psychologist Elaine Aron's research on highly sensitive people reveals that approximately 20% of the population has a genetic trait causing their nervous system to process information more deeply. They notice subtleties others miss. They feel textures, sounds, and emotions with greater intensity. If you cry easily, there's a strong chance you're part of this group. Evolution kept this trait in our gene pool for a reason. Want to know what that reason is? These individuals were the ones who sensed danger before others did. They picked up on tiny shifts in group dynamics. They felt the storm coming before the first cloud appeared. In ancestral environments, having people with heightened sensitivity in your tribe meant survival. Your tears aren't weakness, they're an evolutionary advantage that kept your ancestors alive. But modern society hasn't caught up to the science yet. We're taught to toughen up and stop being so emotional, as if suppressing tears makes us stronger. Research from the University of South Florida found the opposite. People who allow themselves to cry report feeling better afterward 88% of the time. Those who suppress tears, they experience increased stress, anxiety, and even cardiovascular problems over time. Dr. Ad Vingerholtz, the world's leading expert on crying, studied thousands of people across cultures and discovered something profound: the ability to cry isn't correlated with weakness, it's correlated with emotional intelligence. People who tear up easily score higher on empathy tests. They form deeper relationships. They're better at reading emotional cues and responding to others' pain. Your tears are doing something else too. They're a social bonding mechanism. When you cry in front of someone, you're sending a powerful signal of trust and vulnerability. Studies show that witnessing someone cry activates the compassion centers in observers' brains, literally making them more caring toward you. So the next time tears come easily, remember, your brain isn't broken. It's sophisticated. It's releasing stress, processing emotions deeply, and connecting you authentically to the world around you. That's not something to apologize for. That's something to understand.